Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
Let's do what he did to others, to his brands. Let's do that. Let's email Isinkosag. It's not nice being cancelled.
Dominic and Ugogo's quoting. Okay, guys, I wanna like let we have to not take sides. Let's not take sides. Let's make appeal. Appeal it's a point, evident, and explanation and e-link. So good Dominic no Gogo's quoting. Lesaga yabo yonke nje. Quoting I mean to say. So Ugogo's curtain was asked Oguti how does she feel with Dominic. She was like, nah, she's cool and all, but ngathi angihlisa kulezinga lokuqoshisa abantu emsebenzini. And guys, because we obviously live in a high unemployment rate, which is a point, and it's so hard to get a job in this Ramaphosa economy. Yabo? So I think it was so wrong with like Dominic I had him otherwise Linda because it was just boogie point ega Gogo's quoting, guys. And guys, to add on that point, we all know Guzu Dominic is so self-defensive. She's quick to he's quick to defend himself. One who's like exposed to the internet, you must expect negative comments and expect the worst. You can only call out people, but not to call out them to a point where guys, let's be honest. So this whole saga links to the Nobangele story, where he had to advertise sneakers using igama lika Dominic. Yabo? So njengoba senza igama lika Dominic advertise sneakers, he was pointing out issues afana nokuqoshiswa and going on stage agcoke lento ayigcokile uDominic, yabo? Which guys, mina yabona kuleyo part leyo I felt like uDominic can wear anything he wants to. It's just that we live in a homophobic country. Angathi aphuma laphayana he can get kidnapped or whatsoever. So he had a point. Okay, let me not take sides. Maybe with Dominic this thing was sort of like he was getting bullied at that time because everyone on the internet started saying and Dominic Ekoshisana and Dominic this and that. And then he started reciprocating what he has in. It's either the company that's advertising the sneaker brand owes her I think 5,000. If ever by keep in 7 days, they owe him 45,000. So ukuze uphiwe abuze le question, guys, isuke khona lapho kundaba kaNobangela, and then wabuza ugogo. Kahle kahle ugogo's cousin had nothing to do with this. Uphiwe just asked, as ama-podcasters njengo-MacG, he can ask anything. So Dominic shukuthi yena waya ku-live with this girl, lo girl lo wathi ugogo's cousin had a point here and here. Dominic waqala engekho wathi yamdakelwa blah 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 blah. Like he became so defensive, like instead of as defend kumele acknowledge ukuthi abantu bathini ngaye and fix where he's wrong. Like Gogo's cousin had a point. So Nina guys nithini ngayo this whole saga, is it necessary or not? Because we're getting over some and stuff. Please comment and let us know what's your view on this whole saga. Thank you for watching.